more normal to me. For those of you that don't know, that are just on the gaming channel, I actually do have a car channel, you know, and this is obviously the car that it is based around, the 2020 Dodge Charger 392 Scatpack wide body. So if you guys are interested in that stuff, you know, all links are always down below in the description. Go ahead and check it out, you know, to all my social platforms, to the car channel, to the Discord, to everything. So anything you guys might want or need, it's all down below in the description. And if it ain't in there, just let me know and I'll be sure to help you out with it. As you can see in the title, you know, we got a little surprise for you guys. Well, it ain't much of a surprise since, you know, it's in the title, and, you know, I don't know if I would have announced it yet already or not, but as you can see, one of my 1391 members, you know, one of the members from the community, he hit me up, man, and he said he wanted to do, he said he wanted to give back. And at first he wasn't really sure how he wanted to do it, and I was like, hey man, you know, you just showing your support, being here, helping in the chat and doing all that you do is more than enough. But you know, he wanted to do more, so he ended up hitting me back and he said he wanted to get a PlayStation. You know, he said he actually had a PlayStation 5. He said he wanted to give it to me to give away to one of you guys. So we're headed over there right now. Actually, I went the other day and it wasn't there. I went on the day he said it was going to be there and it wasn't there, but I didn't even check the tracking number. So I did check it now and it says that it's there. So we're on our way right now to go check it out, to see if it in fact is there, to see if this is legit. You know, because you never know, man, you never know. I didn't want to get my hopes up, you know, not to say that my man Don Shepard is a liar or anything, but you just never know with people nowadays, you know. So I didn't get my hopes up, but right now we're going to see if it is legit. And if it is, man, then one of you lucky people out there is gonna get a PlayStation 5, man. Ooh, we about to see what's good. Yo, package has been delivered, guys. Oh shit, the chicken is in the coop. You know what I'm saying? I haven't unboxed it yet. We about to go see right now. Shout out to Don, man. Hey, it looks legit. We're about to go see right now, guys. Bruh, I'm hype. I'm hyped for one of you guys. This is gonna be so dope. Man, let's get home, man. Let's unbox this thing. Let's see what's really in it, though. And by the way, I know you see the merch. You see that Legends Never Die right there, and right there. Yes, sir. We got the whole thing on right now. All right, so as you guys can see, we are back where you're used to seeing me. And I had a whole unboxing video of this thing done. I don't know where it went. I was trying to build some suspense and make it a cool little video, but apparently I never hit record. I don't know. I thought I had it recorded. I can't find it. Oh well. I did unbox it, and it's not what we thought, guys. It's not what we thought. There is, however, a PlayStation controller. It was just a big ass box and this PlayStation controller. I'm just messing with you guys. I'm just messing with you, man. You know, I had to create a little bit of suspense, but here it is, guys. You guys see it, man. It is official. This thing is, you know, it's in there, man. Unless there's a bunch of bricks in there, it's definitely in there. I'm not gonna open it or anything. You see, it's all sealed up, ready to go. And this is the disc version. You guys see it, 8K, 4K, 120 HDR. This is the real deal, guys. Shout out to my man Don Shepard, because he is the one. Him and his wife are the reason that we are doing this giveaway. And this is in fact an extra controller. He gave us an extra controller as well to give away. So not only will you guys be getting a PlayStation 5, you'll also be getting a PlayStation 5 controller. So man, again, shout out to my man Don Shepard. Make sure you guys say thank you to Don and his wife down in the comments below. He really had no reason to do this, man. He said he just wanted to give back, and this is the way that he wanted to do it. So I know things have been extremely dry right now. All this year, 2021, all January has been dumb dry. We haven't seen any PlayStation Direct drops, but we got a Don Shepard drop right here, man. Shout out to you, Don, and the wife. You guys are amazing people, man, and this is gonna really make somebody's day, make somebody very, very happy. because so many people looking for this console right now, and it's just a blessing to be able to have someone like Don and his wife to allow us to be able to do this giveaway, man. So the rules to this giveaway will be posted on the IG. Go check out the IG, it's down below in the description, and down there you can find links to everything. The car channel, as you guys seen, we're rolling around in the car today. You can find links to everything you might need, might want, down there in the description. Everything I use and recommend is down there. All the social platforms, everything is down there for you guys. Unfortunately, this will be United States only, so all of my people that are out of the United States, I'm sorry, we will not be able to ship this out to you. It is very, very expensive to ship this thing, so with that being said, this is United States only. So be on the lookout for that post on IG. It'll be pretty obvious which one it is. It'll have all the rules on there for you, and we're gonna get this thing going, man. Can't wait to give this thing away, and we will be back on the grind, man, for everybody that is still looking for these consoles. Not only this, but the Xbox as well, and we do have some giveaways coming for you Xbox people as well. But we are going to be back on the grind. Like I said, I'm going to be helping you guys out until the very last person gets it. It's been super dry, so I've been focusing on some other stuff that I had to take care of recently. But don't worry, we're going to be back there hunting these consoles, helping you guys get whatever it is you're looking for. Good luck to everybody out there. Hopefully someone that really deserves it gets it. But it's up for grabs for anybody. Appreciate you guys for stopping through. Thank you guys so much. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Drop a comment down below and tell me what console you guys are looking for, and tell me why. Tell me why that specific console is the one you want. I'm kind of curious. I'm kind of curious as to why people want the PlayStation 5 over the Xbox, or the Xbox over the PlayStation 5. But that's gonna do it, guys. LouieXIII Gaming checking out. Until the next time, I'm gonna see you guys very, very soon. Salute.